Welcome to this peaceful forest meditation. Take a deep breath and let the serenity of nature embrace you. Close your eyes and imagine yourself walking through this tranquil forest. Feel the soft ground beneath your feet, the cool shade of the trees above, and the gentle warmth of sunlight on your skin. Breathe deeply. Inhale the fresh, clean air of the forest, and exhale all your stress and worries. Let them drift away like leaves carried by the wind. Now imagine finding a comfortable spot to rest, perhaps beneath a tall tree or by a gentle stream. Feel the solid ground supporting you as you sit. Focus on the sounds around you. The gentle rustle of leaves, the melody of birds singing in the distance, the soft trickle of water nearby. With each breath, let the calm of the forest fill your body and mind. Inhale peace, exhale tension. Stay here for as long as you like. Breathing, resting, connected to nature. When you feel ready, gently open your eyes, bringing the peace of the forest with you into your day.